Hi, class. Welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. You could get protein and a boatload of nutrients if you get your protein from plant-based foods. Plant-based proteins don't have as many calories as animal protein sources, and they don't contain cholesterol-forming fats. While some plant-based foods have higher protein quantities than others, it is more beneficial for your health to eat them, as opposed to negatively affecting your health with animal protein. Here are some of the best vegan foods that have more protein than meat. Hemp seeds. 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds contain 10 grams of protein. Hemp seeds contain all of the essential amino acids. They are rich in fiber, and most of the calories come from omega-3 fatty acids. Use hemp seeds in smoothies, raw snacks, or add them to your oatmeal. Almonds. There are 8 grams of protein in a quarter cup of raw almonds. Rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium, and iron, almonds are great for getting an energy/protein boost. Add almonds to smoothies, make a homemade almond butter, or eat them as a healthy snack. Broccoli. Measuring by calories, broccoli has more protein than beef. At 4.5 grams of protein per 30 calories, broccoli should make its way into your daily diet. Red meat has been linked to cancer, while broccoli has been known to provide your body with cancer-fighting nutrients. Spirulina. Spirulina has been a superfood for a while now. Not only is it rich in iron, B vitamins, and other essential trace minerals, but it also has 65% protein per ounce. Add spirulina to smoothies to help reduce inflammation and alkalize your body. 2 things that animal proteins don't do for you. Black beans. Black beans are a great source of plant-based protein. They're loaded with potassium, fiber, and folate. At 15 grams of protein per 1 cup of cooked black beans, it is hard to pass them up. Try to replace your beef or chicken with black beans and serve them with quinoa and sauteed vegetables. You can also add them to salads or make homemade dips. Substitute meat for these healthier sources of protein and your body will thank you. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.